Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my blog. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. For today's blog, part 2 for cooking 101. Part 2 cooking is done. So I'm done cooking pancit for today, for lunch and dinner for later. So before I go to work. So this is the quick and easy uh, lunch for me and my family. It is pancit. Our menu for today is pancit. It's rice noodles for pancit for long life. So it's our Asian tradition, Filipino tradition. We always have noodles for long life, any occasion, for like birthday, anniversary, uh, any kind of occasion for long life is called pancit, is for noodles for long life. Long noodles for any occasion is good for your body and soul and mind. For your brain power is pancit for today is done. So thank you for watching, everyone. God bless. So long and see you again soon. Happy Thursday to all of you. Enjoy and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Please help me to grow my YouTube channel by liking, like and share and subscribe as well. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please pull the notification bell and for more updated for the next vlog. God bless everyone. Enjoy and like and share, and shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Make a lot shout out to you all, and to all my followers and TikTok, and to my Instagram, my social media account. And God bless everyone. Enjoy and God bless. So long and shout out to you all. Make a lot shout out to you all. Thank you and God bless. Done cooking pancit for today. Is a lot of ingredients. It's easy and quick to make. Is um, mixed vegetables, noodles, chicken, not chicken. It is rice noodles and uh, cheesy hot dog and shrimp and sirloin pork and many more, and variety vegetables. So good, yummy and delicious. Enjoy for watching and God bless you all. So long. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy, and there you go. Yummy and delicious is perfect for snack, lunch, and dinner. Thank you and God bless. So long, everyone. Enjoy and see you again soon for the next vlog. Done cooking. Who wants pancit? Who wants pancit? Enjoy and God bless. It is our Filipino style tradition for long life. Is long noodles for long life, for uh, Filipino tradition and believing for any occasion. Thank you and God bless you all. So long. Enjoy. You see how long is the noodles is? Yummy and delicious. Thank you. So good. Thank you and God bless you all. So long and joy and God bless.